Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Break with C box breaks for the 2014-2015 Upper Deck Series 1 box break number 2.
There's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton.
Those are the boxes NE221-261-023. That's NE221-261-023. Try to get through this as quickly as possible. Good luck, everybody. I'll stop when there's a hit. So you got a Young Guns exclusives for the Predators, 8 out of 100 of Colton Sissons. Got a Young Guns of Adam Perreault for the Penguins. Hockey Heroes for the Devils, Martin Brodeur. And Shiny Stars, Nicholas Zerstrom for the Red Wings. Canvas, Eric Jalona for the Devils. Young Guns, Michael Zalewski for the Canucks. All base pack. Another all base pack. Back to back. Young Guns, Leon Draisaitl for the Oilers. Nice hit for Edmonton. Hockey Heroes, Martin St. Louis for the Lightning. Shining Stars, John Tavares for the Islanders. Canvas, Zach Kassian for the Canucks. Young Guns Colton Sissons for the Predators. So his regular and his exclusive. Same box. Got a game jersey, Corey Crawford for the Blackhawks. Young Guns, Yuri Lehtera for the Blues. Got a canvas, Louis Eriksson for the Bruins. Got a game jersey, Patrice Bergeron for the Bruins. Got a buyback auto 13 out of 25 for the Blackhawks of Jeremy Roenick. Nice hit for the Blackhawks. All base pack. Shining Stars, Tyler Seguin for the Stars. All base. Young Guns, Alexander Weinberg for the Blue Jackets. Canvas, Tyler Seguin for the Stars. Shining Stars, Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks. And then base, and base to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.